Okay, this video is for our Gonda ukulele strummers. We are learning Rock Around the Clock. We're doing it very slowly at 105 beats per minute. It's a shuffle. We're in the key of G, and we do have passages in this song where we're going from a G to a G7. That is a challenging transition for beginners. So if you can work on it, that would be great. But for now, if it's a little bit too challenging to do, just anytime you see something that says a G, just play a G. So when you see a G7, play a G. Stick with the G for now. For our beginners, strum down on the downbeat of each chord. So it will be put your glad rags on, join me, hon. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight, like that. It'll give you extra time to transition to the next chord. For the rest of you, you can go down, 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 or down. I'm gonna turn on the drum. Down, 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 or down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you're ready to do a boom chukka, is a down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it'll be like this: down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. This is a workhorse of a strum pattern. You want to get this one. No pun. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Our starting note that we sing on is a G note. A 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. A 1, 2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. A 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. A 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Put your glad rags on, join me, hon. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Stanza 3. When the chimes ring 5, 6, and 7, we'll be rocking in a 7th heaven. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. All right, let's hum it. La 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 it. La 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 when it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong, and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Stanza 5 and end. When the clock strikes 12, we'll cool off then. Start a rockin' around the clock again. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till the broad daylight. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. 2, 3, 4. Ba-da-da-da. Yeah. A little tremolo. And all I'm doing with that tremolo, I'm using one finger, my index finger. I have my other fingers cupped and out of the way. And I'm just running my finger down with the nail, coming up with the flesh, very slowly and very lightly, barely touching the top of the strings. If you press too hard, your finger's going to get stuck in the strings. Very light touch. And you don't have to do it fast to get the job done.
Kelly?
We do a lot of tremolos